Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create free electronic signature in mobile. Yes, an electronic signature or e-signature refers to data in electronic form which is logically associated with other data in electronic forms and which is used by the signatory or signature. So this is a definition of electronic signature. While you have attending online examination or any other job related, if they ask you to sign in the agreement paper, you need to have the electronic signature. So we don't have any laptop. We're using the mobile phone, we can able to create an electronic signature. Yes, in this session I would like to share how to create free electronic signature in mobile phone. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Just open your mobile phone and go to Play Store, search Microsoft Office. So this is a 10 MB application. You can install the application. This is a free one. I have installed in my mobile phone. I just click open the application. So I already opened the application. If you open newly means just to give accept, automatically it will open. There is no other payment option, just is the freeware provided from the Microsoft. Yes, you will find a home button on the top as well as the folder. Search button is here. In downside you will find home as well as action. Once you click the action button, it will direct you to the share file, that is transfer files, share nearby, image to text, image to table. Here you will find sign a PDF. Once you click sign a PDF, we can able to create a digital signature. Yes, choose any other file which you have the PDF file in your mobile phone. You have files in here, you can able to take care. Otherwise just browse your device, you will find any other PDF files. Whatever files you have, you can choose according to your needs. So I have selected one file. So now I would like to create a signature. Just tap and you can able to create a new signature. I just draw, yeah. So my name, I can able to make my signature. Yes, I can able to change the colors, whatever colors I want. I want to put it in a blue color or black color or green color, whatever color I can able to do. If my signature is not good, it's not correct for me, just delete that and I can able to make sure and do it correctly. Yeah, so I can able to change the color as well as whatever details I want, I can able to give. Store signature. Yes, I have created my signature, I can make it. So my signature will be placed over anywhere in the PDF format. For example, if I want to add my signature for more documents, just I click browse this device and downloads. I can able to take some PDF and I want to add the signature. I just click and add the signature. Yes, signature mode, it automatically open the signature mode. I just tap means my signature will be here. Just tap, automatically my signature will be added over here in my mobile phone. Yes, this is an easy step. You can able to make your signature in the freeware in the Microsoft Office. I hope this option will help you to make your education as well as your digital signature model will be easy. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.